Hello, my name is Karen Goldman Carton, and I'm the Executive Director of the Lower Shore Child Care Resource Center. Whether you are new to child care or a seasoned provider, the staff at the Lower Shore Child Care Resource Center is here to help you provide the highest quality child care. The Lower Shore Child Care Resource Center is a nonprofit agency that works with child care providers, early educators, businesses, and community organizations to help promote the availability of quality child care services in Somerset, Worcester, and Wicomico counties. The Lower Shore Child Care Resource Center helps child care providers caring for infants, toddlers, preschoolers, and school-aged children by providing high-quality training, program resources, mentoring, and technical assistance. We have designed this series to help you as you travel on your journey in providing quality child care. We will cover many topics that are relevant to you as a provider. These topics will include the Maryland Credential, setting up the perfect child care environment, program accreditation, and child care professionalism. Whether you're setting up a family child care home or a child care center classroom, how you set up your learning environment is very important. Much thought must go into this setup in order to reach all the developmental needs of the children in your program. This segment will focus on creating an appropriate child care environment that will help foster growth, learning, and fun. There are many things that you can do to create a quality learning environment. To begin with, a child care setting should be clean, sanitized, and free of clutter. The environment should be friendly and welcoming. Upon arrival, the room should say, "Come on in, this is a friendly place to play." Appropriate toys should be available for all age levels. Be sure that you have appropriate furniture for little ones. Child-sized chairs and tables will help children learn while keeping them safe. Your child care setting should be inclusive of all learners. Making some minor adjustments may make learning and movement within your classroom easier for all children, even those with developmental delays or disabilities.
We also like the environment to be labeled in a sense where the children know this area over here is housekeeping, this area is drama play, this area is books. Again, that's all about predictability. They know what happens in those centers, they know what they can do in those centers, they know the boundaries and the rules, so they know how to behave and they know what's expected of them.
Okay, our room is split up into what we call individual centers. They are themed, such as a writing center or a computer center or a block center, and the children have free choice to move throughout those centers during their choice time.
During the day, allow children to freely choose activities. Giving a child an opportunity to practice autonomy is important in their social, emotional, as well as their cognitive development. Read to the children often and have many books available in your setting. This exposure to print is essential in a child's language and literacy development. Even with your youngest learners, shelves and toys should be labeled.
Everything in our room is labeled. The children, it is a literature-rich environment. The children are in the process of learning to write, and they pull from those writing and learning experiences. A lot of our children are actually pulling some of those labels down, and they take them to their centers and they write sentences for us, and they're learning their ABCs and their writing techniques.
I think like any environment, if it's a chaotic environment, the kids are going to react in a chaotic manner. If it's an environment that is organized and there's a schedule that's in place and the kids know what's going to happen, that's the most important part, is that the kids know what's going to happen. They can expect, this is what we do after nap time, this is what we do after snack, this is what we do when we go outside. Their day runs better because they know what to expect. When they don't know what to expect, they're going to be anxious. That anxiety might come out as aggression, defiant behavior, withdrawal. So we'd like to have a nice, predictable environment so the kids know what's going on.
A quiet space should be available for children. Have you ever had a moment where you just felt like being alone? Well, even little ones have this feeling sometimes. A quiet reading corner, comfy chair, or a be by myself area can give a child an opportunity for some alone time during a busy day at childcare. Be sure not to overlook your outside environment. A lot of learning takes place outside. Be sure your outside area is clean and well drained. Also, having climbers and areas for children to run is important for their gross motor development. Much thought goes into the setup of a child care program. An appropriate child care environment can help keep your kids safe, happy, and learning. If you'd like assistance with your child care setup, the staff of the Lower Shore Child Care Resource Center is happy to help. Room arrangement trainings are offered and staff is available to help you set up your infant toddler, preschool, or school-age classroom, or to help you set up your family child care setting. For more information, call the Lower Shore Child Care Resource Center at 410-543-6650.